Hello, this is Leah from All Things Cards. Happy whatever day it is, whatever time of day it is, happy to you. You're probably looking at this mess and going, what on earth? And I just noticed my camera's a little bit wonky. What on earth? Oh, now my secret's out. You see over here? Made it look like I had a new tabletop. Let's move that piece of paper over. Okay, so you're wondering what this mess is. Well, this is a haul. I was flipping through Facebook somewhere, and someone said that they had got their mystery package from eBay. And inside it, there were all these dies. Not one duplicated. And I thought, well, I wonder what that is. So I clicked on the link, ordered a set, and here we are. Well, we're a little while after the time, but here we are. So let's just gather this up and take a look. There's 1, 2, I might have a couple of, I might have ordered like 2 or 3. 3, it depends on the numbers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I wonder if I lost one somewhere. I think one was 10 and one was 5. And I may have left one somewhere over there. I do apologize. Okay, so let's take a look. These look like flowers with a center of a flower and a thing of a leaf. And I like the leaf because it's got the little indentations in it. Do you like my new table? See, isn't that funny? It's just a piece of scrapbooking paper. But if I throw it down here, it makes it look like I've got a wooden tabletop, which I do not. Okay, so we've got this one. That's very pretty. And I don't know where to put this. We don't want to put it on top of my phone. That'd be a big pile of that. Okay, let's start from the big parts, big ones, so I can make a pile. This is, it looks like every one of them cuts. I think it could be my eyes. I don't have my glasses with me. So good idea to make a video when I can't see what I'm doing, huh? Okay, well, there we go. That's my life. Is that a background one? This one, it looks like it says congratulations. It's got maybe a bride and a groom and maybe a gazebo. This is a folding line, just a score line. So perhaps I don't know what it does. Well, that's what happens when you order things that you've never seen before. You don't quite know what they do. This one is flowers. There's a heart over here in the corner. It looks like there's kind of hearts all over the place, I guess. It's kind of hard to tell when you're looking at a reverse image, and I haven't cut any of them out yet. So that's a very pretty one. I must say, I do not have any of these. I didn't have any of these to start with. This one looks like it's going to be quite lovely. Don't you think? I think it's going to be quite lovely. This one looks like a mandolin. Mandela, I think is the word. Not a mandolin. Doesn't look like a mandolin to me. This one, I don't know. It's got little holes at the top of these. Score lines. Maybe it's one of those treat boxes that forms a 3-sided triangle thing and comes up to the peak. I don't know. If you know what this is, please let me know that you know what the triangular thing is. And this, like tags, of course. Stitch tags, that's nice. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I think it was like $4.99 for 5 of these. So I think that's why I ordered 3 sets for $15. I think it was US dollars. Well, I don't really remember if I got it delivered to Canada or the United States. Very pretty. She's very pretty, isn't she? She's holding a little heart in her hand. She's got your heart right there. This could be a snowflake. It's going to cut there, and it's going to cut there. So uncertain how to use this one, but we'll take a look, try it out. This one says happy birthday. I imagine it goes like that. This one is a little Christmas tree with a church and 2 trees inside of it with little stars on it. and star on top. Now let's see, can my camera show it? No, no, no. Let's see, it's very tiny in the center there. Sweet. And this one is a gift box, a box with a gift bow on top. Where's the camera? Yes, I know the other day I pulled everything I did outside of the camera. I do apologize for that. It is hard. This spot right here is like 2 inches in from the edge of my desk. So when I think I'm at the edge of my camera, I'm at the edge of this. I'm right here. Now this has got a big black band below it, so I can't tell if anything. Ooh, let's take this, let's turn it around, and let's put this line right here. Now Leah, this is for editing purposes. You may want to take this out of here. You probably won't because you're a lazy person when it comes to your editing. And see, right there is where the black line shows up. Can you see anything below? Where's my hand? Can you see anything below that black line? If you can, then that means that that black line is just there for information purposes and does not mean that this is all that's visible when the camera's on. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today. I thought I would show you my haul. I don't know where these came from. They were on eBay, and I was thrilled. So I will put a link, if I can find it again, to the mystery, I think it was mystery dies on eBay. I think that's what it's called. And it's quite a haul. But then keep in mind, I believe that these are 3 that I ordered, not just one. One comes, I think, with just 5 in it. I don't remember. You see, it's all very vague. And you order it a while, and then you wait a while for it to show up, and you forget. So that's where I am. Okay, thank you very much for watching today. Have a great day. May God richly bless you, and happy crafting.